Hello, my name is Poojan Mistry.
Open the A tabs. Create new project and select Use building settings. Select display units to metric SI. Steel section database Indian. Steel design code is 800-2007. Concrete design code is 456-2000. And click on OK. Now select the spacing of grids in X direction 6 meter. And select the spacing of grids in Y direction 6 meter. Number of grid lines in X direction is 4. Number of grid lines in Y directions is 4. Number of stories is 15. Typical story height will be 3 meters. And bottom story it will be 3 meters. And click on OK.
Story 1 to 10 similar and 11 to 15 is similar. Now we will define material properties. Go to the properties and click on Add New Material Property. Select Region Indian. Material type Concrete. Standard Indian. Grade of Concrete M30. Similarly, we define rebar. Select Material type to rebar. Select Grade HYSD 500 and mild 250 and click on OK. Now we will define section property. Go to Define Frame section. Delete unwanted properties. Now click on Concrete Beam and click on Modify Property. Type the name. Select Material M30. Depth and width is 400 mm. Go to the Modify Rebar. Make sure InDesign Type column is selected. Select the longitudinal bars as HYSD 500 and confinement bars as mild 250. Click on OK. Now for different column size you can copy the property. Click on Add Copy of Property and change the size. For beam do the same steps. InDesign Type make sure beam is selected. Select cover 25 mm. Now click on Add New Property and select Auto Select List. With this option, A tabs will automatically select size of columns and beam. As per requirement, give the property name. In Auto Select Design Type, select Concrete. Select all the columns and click on Add button. Do the same steps for beam. Now we will define slab. Go to the Define section Properties Slab section. You can add new property and create a new slab. You can also modify the existing slab property. Type name of slab. Select slab material to M30 and set thickness to 127 mm. Now we will draw column. Click on Draw and select the Quick Draw Beams column option like this. In left side you have also shortcut. Now in Property select Column Auto Select and select Similar Story and draw the columns. Similarly select the Quick Draw Beam option. In Properties select Beam Auto Select option. Now we will draw the floor. Select Quick Draw Flow option. Select Property to slab 127. 1 to 10 story is drawn. Now go to the 11th story and select Similar Stories and do the same steps like this. Now we will assign in loads on slab. Select all slabs. Go to Assign Shell Loads Uniform. Now type 2 in dead load and click on Apply. Select the slab again to assign live load. Select live and type 3 and click on Apply. Now we will apply cladding loads. Select outer beams. Go to Assign Frame Loads Distributed. In Uniform Load type 0.2 and click on Apply. Go to Last Story to remove cladding load. Select outer beams. Go to Assign Frame Load Distributed. Choose Delete Existing Loads and click on Apply. Go to the base. Select one story option. Select all points. Go to Assign Joint Restraints. Select this option and click Apply. Go to Draw menu, select Auto Draw Cladding L. Select Use Flaws option and click OK. You can see here cladding has been drawn. Now we will apply wind loads. Go to Define. Select Load Pattern. Select Load Type Wind. Select as 875 code. Click on Modify. I am living in Ahmedabad, so wind speed as per as code is 39. Type 39 in wind speed VB. Terrain category 2. Structure height is less than 50 meters. So the structure class will be B. Click on OK. Now select Elevation A. And choose All Story option. Go to Elevation A. Select all walls. Go to Assign Shell Loads. Wind Pressure Coefficient. Our structure comes in this. As per as 875. Now type 0.8 and select Windward and click Apply. Also select Elevation B. A and B elevation direction is same, so we apply CP 0.8 here also. Select Elevation C and D and apply CP -0.25 in leeward. For all other side the CP is same, so we can select Elevation 1, 2, 3, 4 and select all walls and apply CP -0.8 in leeward. Now we will analyze the model. To analyze the model, click on this Analysis button. You can see the models analyzed. Now click on this Concrete Design button to start the concrete designing. To verify the design check, click on this button and click Verify All Member Passed. As you can see, a concrete frames pass the design check. Now we can go for detailing. I am using CSI detailing for detailing this model. Click on Open EDB file. And click on OK. As you can see here, the detailing is generated for the model.